Welcome to our lesson about the chamfer tool. I'll begin by activating the tool. It's a subtool of the fillet tool, to which it works pretty similarly. Here we've got two options for creating the chamfer. The first is angle and distance. Let's try angle distance. For the distance, we'll enter 40 millimeters. And for the angle, 15 degrees. How the chamfer is positioned depends upon which sketch entity I select first. First selection and second entity. And here's my chamfer. The distance is associated with my first selection. The angle is associated with the second selection. Click Undo. And first selection, second selection. As you can see, the chamfer looks different now. Once again, the distance is associated with your first selection, the angle with your second selection. Undo again. Let's try the distance method now. Check here to apply equal distance to both selections. With this option checked, you just select the corner to instantly apply the chamfer. Let's undo, and undo again, and uncheck equal distance. Okay, let's enter our distances separately now. 40 millimeters for the first and 10 for the second. Now let's make our first selection, and once again, the first selection is associated with the first distance. Your second selection will be associated with the second distance, 10 millimeters in this case. And we're ready to accept. Let's activate the tool again. Let's activate the tool again and apply a chamfer to intersecting geometry. Let's select here and here. And now let's apply to geometry which doesn't intersect, and my second selection. As you see, the sketch entities don't have to touch in order to create a chamfer. Let's click Accept. And this concludes our lesson about the Sketch Chamfer tool.